stocks. Time now for CEO FYI. And today we're pleased to have Tim Thompson of ChannelingStocks.com. How are you, Mr. Thompson?
I'm great. How are you, Jack?
Very well, thank you. Explain to us what your company does, please.
Channeling stocks, if you can picture in your mind a stock that would, say, go from a $8 price, say, to 12, back down to 8, up to 12. That area between the 8 and the 12 is what is known as the channel. What ChannelingStocks.com does is we locate those stocks for our customer base that are caught in a channel. The theory itself, again, if you can picture a stock that goes from 8 to 12, you'd buy it at 8, sell it at 12, buy it at 8, sell it at 12. Out of the 25,000 shares that trade actively, less than 1% actually are in a channel, so that really is the hardest part about this whole theory.
Tim, it's John Vince. How are you?
I'm great, John. How are you?
I'm doing great. What is actually the client profile? Who do you normally go after? Do you go after day traders or people that are long-term holders? Who's actually your client base?
Oh, that's a great question. Our client base, as we continue to grow and grow, is all across the board. The strategy itself, you have to understand, is not a new strategy. We got an email from somebody that signed up about a month ago that said he did this 40 years ago. It worked back then. So we're not reinventing the wheel here, but what we are doing is providing a service for those customers that, not to replace, we're not saying cash out your 401k and invest in this theory, but for anybody sitting on the sideline that's looking for an alternative investment strategy, that's what we're providing for them.
Sure. Is it entirely web-based and web-enabled, or do you have an offline methodology or maybe a newsletter that kind of goes along with the web-enabled site?
Well, currently we're strictly online, and we continue to look for better ways to service our customers. We have a retention rate right now of over 85% of our customers sign up with us again. And that, to us, is confirmation that the information we're providing is meeting the need at a value that they see is worth continuing with us. So
sure.
We're happy with that.
What is typically the methodology that you use in order to prospect, identify, and then possibly recommend a so-called channel stock?
Sure. We're going to be highlighted in Stocks and Commodities magazine this month, and we got a preview of the article, and it was funny because he wrote in there that when he first started talking to me on the phone, he was waiting for this holy grail, take to my grave, you're never going to know how we do this answer, but quite simply, all we do are look at charts. Again, with over 25,000 stocks actively trading out there, our team of researchers literally look stock chart after stock chart after stock chart for these patterns. We do have some built-in bases regarding at least 50,000 shares traded on the daily basis. We tend to stay away from penny stocks, though we have people that ask for them. And again, we try to fill the customer's needs. But every week we provide at least 12 new stocks in the channeling pattern. And again, the simple explanation is you look at charts. That's what we do.
Sure.
Tim Thompson, thank you very much. Continued good luck and good health.
Thank you very much, Jack.
ChannelingStocks.com, his company. Now it's time for